These are the S&B mudflap delete for the F450 trucks. Replaces the low hanging mudflap on these trucks. This is the driver's side and this is the passenger side. Super easy install. So with the 7mm, you can find the bolts that are holding this flap on, and there'll be one little push rivet as well. Flathead or a little rivet tool, you can remove that clip. Now with the flap set aside, we'll find our driver's side delete plate. It's the same texture as the OEM. It's the nice subtle S&B logo. Now you can remove the rivet from the OEM flap and install it into the S&B delete. And that's the install of the S&B mud flap delete for the F450 trucks. Super easy install and a great way to really clean up the side look of this F450.